Alright, doing this alternator, this Malibu here, down here. So, let's start taking this off. 8mm. These. I'm actually straighten a little bit too, because this small screw down here. Oh, that goes that way. That's okay. Put this cap back on. For this, get this out of our way. Oh, battery first. 10mm. This is a new battery. That's why the alternator's next. Down with that. Lower sensor. Take the 10mm off. Move this tube. Let me see it. Put that up. I'm gonna clip this. Alright, that's what I'm gonna screw your tube. Oh yeah, it works just fine. So I'm gonna just put that in there. If you can see, it's a little hole. I'm gonna lift up and just pop it off. This damage. Down. All right. Oh, it's frozen. It's good. Okay, presses. Pulls out. Well, it's okay. Plastic's flaking, but it's still there. All right. Here, 13. Oh, that wasn't even tight. I don't know if it's good or bad. I'm just gonna stop doing this all loose. This one I have to take off. Underneath here. Yeah, so most of this job, this wrench works great. Gotta get tensioner on every bolt. I love Milwaukee. Use the damn air ratchet. Make it go a little quicker. Unplug this. Hopefully not damage nothing. This helps you try to connect this. Push it in, pull it out. Alright. Pop it up. Alright. I don't believe him. Let's put it right through here. Now it's a big boy. Hopefully. I know there's another wire on here too. Get this thing. Right, boot on. Alright. Turn it to look like a Alright. Cable off. I just put this back on. Pull this bad boy out. Alright, it's out. What the hell? I don't know. Alright, this is the old one. GM 130 amp. Valeo. 2-prong. That's the new one. It's actually remanufactured. AC Delco for $200. Same thing, Velo. Got the AC Delco on there. It's actually pretty nice. Come in a little gold box. Yeah, put this in there. Take our screw off. I'm gonna take my sticker off too. Stickers off. Just because I don't want it to wear off and, you know, get up in there somehow. Squeeze this bad boy. When it's home, that's this wire. Let's just pop that out. Should have did that before. But that's why I make these videos. You guys. Much better. Much better. cable. Get some light down here for you. Looking bolt. Now this one's definitely going to be a 10mm. This bolt is different. Now this bolt you're going to want fairly tight. Any type of electronics at a pretty high voltage sending current need to be tight. Yeah, got a 12mm. Look at this tight as could be. Alright, that's pretty tight. Alright. No, that's it. Slide it up. Don't put my boat on. Slide it on there. Like that. Beautiful. I'm just gonna spray these bolts just because I don't want to rust. Okay. Tips in. I like that one. Make sure it's nice and level and straight. Check it, look pretty damn good. I'm gonna tighten everything down. Let's go around, tighten everything evenly. Fairly tight, but I don't think this is supposed to be freaking armed on super tight. I believe it will break. I think these bolts are aluminum, so gentle. Get a feel for it. Last thing you want is a broken bolt. That's good. That's solid. I felt it. Go. All right. Try not to pull it off or nothing. Slip it right back on. I mean, I feel like it could be a little tighter, but it's pretty good. Pretty good. And okay. So usually you want to check that plug first, but because we already verified that this would fit in there, I didn't check it prior. Put the top back on, connect our battery. slide this on here. Make sure this is locked on there. That's good. Oh. I see. This one I won't forget. Check this. Get this hose on. All right, looks good. Get that securely on there. And you see, I won't get no charge. This thing's freaking already dead. Oh guys, I had to jump start this for probably about 10-15 minutes, let it charge. But as soon as I started it, there was no battery light anymore. It went away instantly. And everything seems to be working great. So now I'm just driving it, charge up, I got the heat on, radio on, everything working good. So yeah, before the battery died, I had to jump it twice. So I got a new battery that didn't fix the problem. So the alternator fixed the problem. Probably should have tested it, checked it, but it's okay. Thanks for watching.